Kapag ang ganda ang person, guys, ha?
Alright, let me explain this to you.
Busy siya, eh.
You are a lonely, selfish, narcissistic asshole.
Baka,
Family to look out for. I have people who need more than me than you will ever understand.
lulutang yung ano ko, white hair ko nito. Magiging ano siya, ano bang tawag doon?
Of the two of us, I'm the only one.
Ang tawag doon? Pag yung meron kang
Maganda na ito.
magiging highlight pala.
You know what this does? This shows people how you are the smartest fucking prick in the room. So what?
Dito sa baba. Manipis kasi yung buhok ko.
Who gives a shit?
Ang bilis sana ako kung wala tong ano, conditioner, no?
Sorry, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna waste any more of my time. Listen, if you want to keep your kids under lock and key, more power to you. Tab doesn't grow up. You got a problem with what she's doing. Talk to her. Sorry, we're not done here.
Papaganda ang person, may kadita ko mamaya. Aha. Joke. Nangarap na naman.
Laki na lang siya.
Siya yung kinulong? Oo,
Ito
paano?
ang maganda pag maaba. Okay, dapat ganito.
Wow. Sana well.
I need you and your dad.
Mag-transform. Sana mag-transform din yung mukha ko.
Whatever this is, it's you and I. We are in this together. I don't care if we need to take that talisman and go to the woods.
You don't understand. Alice, whatever
Wala, yun o, ang cute. Mukha ko na lang ang cute.
You won't. Look at me.
Lagay pang spray. May pang spray ka ba, Lex?
Blower ko ba? Blower.
Ayan lang, pang spray.
Look.